Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nikola, and today I want to share with you a little longer yoga practice that will focus on bird of paradise. This is one of my favorite asana, and I remember when I was much younger and first tried it out, I was like, oh my god, this is so amazing, and it basically stayed that way. I was very surprised that my body could do the pose, and it just felt amazing to be able to do something this fun. That's why I want to share this class with you. You can use a strap if you know that you work with one. We will open the hamstrings a little bit, so please take one with you. You can also grab a block. I don't think it's gonna be very necessary in most of the practice, but if you feel safer with it, just have it onto the side and we will just start seated. So please join me on the mat for some fun. You can find any comfortable seated position of your choice. Gently really relax your palms and close down the eyes. And take a deep breath in and deep breath out. And two more like that. Deep breath in and deep breath out. One more deep breath in and deep breath out. Slowly move your head to the right, big head circles. Last time to the right. And slowly change the direction, circles to the left. And slowly come back to the center. Bo ja nie wiem, słuchaj, czy to się nagrywa? Nagrywam, dobra. Uf. And relax the arms at the sides, big shoulder circles. And to the front. And release. Bring your right palm to the mat, left one extends. And few times go from one side to the other. Stretching the sides of the body. And stay at the right side, wrist circles. Change the direction. Stop and move to the other side. Roll out that wrist one way. In the other. Slowly come back to the center and move to tabletop pose. And from here, gently cat and cow. Inhale, drop the spine, drop the belly, sorry. And exhale, roll the body. And move here a little bit faster to warm up the body, the spine. Inhale, cow, and exhale, cat. And last time, cow, cat, move to the center. Inhale, right leg comes up, left arm comes up. Hold. Engage the body. Make sure that the back is flat. Find your balance. And from here, release the arm. Bring the knee towards the belly and cross your right ankle over the left thigh. Push back a little bit so you are in some kind of a pigeon and child's pose mix. Deep breath in, deep breath out. From here, move back to tabletop and lift up downward facing dog with the right leg crossed. I'm sorry, I don't know what is going on with me today. And slowly roll down. And we will change the side, starting with the balance. Left leg, right arm. Spine is straight. Engage the booty, the abs. And slowly lower the arm. Bring the leg, cross the ankle over the thigh, and push back to our pigeon child's mix. And you might see that one side is a little bit tighter than the other. That's totally normal. Slowly move a little bit forward to push to downward facing dog. Slowly count back. Release the leg. And from here, we will move to puppy or heart melting pose. Bring the arms to the front of the body, staying the hips and knees at the one line, and slowly drop your belly, your forehead, or your chin towards the mat, or maybe you can use a block here. Open the front side of the body, also opening up the heart. Three breaths. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Slowly come back to tabletop. Bring your toes onto the mat and push downward facing dog. This time you can easily wiggle around here, bending one knee and the other. Maybe moving a little bit of your hips or your head from side to side. And we will do a few rolls, so bring your palms a little bit forward so the dog is a little bit wider than usual. From downward facing dog, move to upward facing dog. The feet are tucked. Stretch the front side, and with the hips, go back, downward facing dog. Roll, upward facing dog, downward facing dog. One more. Inhale and exhale. Adjust in your downward facing dog. You can hop or step towards the palms. So we will move to the front side of the mat. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, release. Twist. Left arm catches the right leg. Right arm comes up. And bind with the right palm to the left side of your body. Open the right shoulder. Inhale, release, and change. Left arm comes up. Bind. Inhale, relax. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, release, and vertebra by vertebra, roll up. Inhale, arms up, big stretch. And exhale, release. We'll move through vinyasa. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Jump or step to chaturanga. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, right leg up. Step it forward. Warrior one. And exhale, release. Chaturanga. Cobra or upper facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Left leg up, step it forward. Warrior one. Exhale, release. One more time, chaturanga. Cobra or upper facing. And downward facing. Beautiful work. Catch a breath here or any other pose. Inhale, right leg comes up. Step it forward. Inhale, high lunge. Oh my God, it's a squirrel. I'm sorry, but I have a beautiful friend here. Hi. Okay, let's move on. I'm sorry. Interlace your palms at the back of your body. Extend open the chest. And with an exhale, release gently. Place your left foot onto the mat and humble warrior. So we are moving down with the right shoulder to the inner of the right knee. Inhale up. Exhale, humble warrior. Inhale, one more time up. And exhale, move down. Inhale, up. Slowly move to downward facing dog. Oh, no. Warrior two. The squirrel got me very, very excited. Straight the right leg and triangle. You can stay a little bit higher if you prefer, or if you have a block, you can also use it, or maybe try catching the leg or the mat. Look up and bind with the left palm to the back. Open like we did in our twist. And from here, stay with the bind, but bend the right leg and stay, just stay. And we'll move to the twist. So free the left arm, place it to the inner side of the mat, and exhale. Inhale, bring the right arm up. Slowly release the knee and lift the left leg up, trying to catch your leg with your arm or a strap, just to feel a nice gentle stretch in the thigh. Nothing crazy, don't push to the limit. Slowly release. Step back with the right leg, chaturanga. Inhale, cobra or upper facing. Exhale, downward facing. Catch a breath. And we will do the other side. Inhale, left leg up. Place it at the top of the mat. Inhale, high lunge. Stay. Interlace the palms at the back. Open your chest. Look up. And slowly move your right feet to the mat. Open a little bit to the side. And we will move through that humble pose. Inhale. Release. Humble warrior. And lift up. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Release the hold and open to warrior two for a second. And from here, straighten the left leg. We are going to our triangle, so you can stay a little higher, looking up to the right palm, catching a block, your leg or the mat. Deep breath in and deep breath out. Bind with the right palm, catching maybe the back or the left side of your body. Gently look down, bend the left knee, hold here for a second. Slowly release the bind, bring the right palm to the mat and move through a twist. Slowly left palm to the mat, kick your left leg to the back, chaturanga, upper facing dog, downward facing dog. Inhale, right leg comes up, place it at the front of the mat, and with some force, stand onto the right leg, catching the left at your heart. Squeeze a little bit. Find your balance. And you can stay here. You can also grab a strap or interlacing your two fingers in your big toe and kicking the leg to the front. The right one can bend a little bit so you can find a nice comfortable stand when you can balance in this crazy pose. But it's a nice way to stretch the back leg. You can stay or maybe open the leg to the left side and straight the right to the opposite. Slowly move forward, release the leg, inhale, arms up, exhale, release down, halfway lift, relax, and move to downward facing dog, and change. Left leg up, place it forward, and stand onto the left leg, hugging the right one. You can stay here, grab a strap, or with the right palm catching the big toe and extending the leg to the front. Hold. Stay or kick it to the right side and the left arm to the left. Slowly come back. And relax. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, move to downward facing. Inhale, right leg up. Inhale, place it in the middle of the mat or maybe a little bit forward. Place the left leg flat onto the mat. It's a little bit like we are in the middle of our warrior two. The right palm comes back to the right feet. The left opens up, so we are kind of back. We were a little bit of here. Bring the left palm to the back and push it a little bit forward so you can maybe grab the right thigh or back of the right thigh. And we're gonna bind a deeper bind so the right palm goes underneath and trying to catch with the other palm, or you can of course grab a strap here and hold onto it. Look down and big step with the left leg to the front so both feet are facing forward. We are going on the left leg, still holding the bind. Bring the right heel up and gently start pushing onto the left leg, coming up. Stay here. So the right leg is in your hands, in your elbows, rather. You can of course stay here or trying to kick that right leg up. Point the feet and hold for as long as you can. Wobbles or falling down here are kind of a no-brainer. It's a very difficult asana, but I know it just brings my mood up. Slowly, whoa, release. See, this happens to everyone. So you're not alone. We'll move to the other side. So at any shape, just relax from the pose, move back at the front of our mat. Inhale, arms up, and exhale, release down. Inhale, halfway, release, downward facing dog. And we are changing the side. Left leg up, bring it forward. Right heel flat onto the mat. Left palm to the left feet. Right one opens. Bind with the right palm, so it's like a halfway bind. Try to now bind with the left. Catch the strap or your hand. Look down, step forward with the right leg and bring the left heel up. Slowly start pushing up so you can stand on onto the right leg. Stay here or try to kick with the left leg up. Find your balance. Find the spot that is not moving ahead of you, so it's gonna be a little bit easier. That's our drishti. And maybe not talk here because it's not very helpful. And slowly release. Inhale, arms up for the last time here. Exhale, relax down. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, lower. Downward facing dog. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. And move to a child's. Heel, big toes together, knees wide apart, arms forward. Relax here a second. Give your arms, your wrist, your hips, your hamstrings some break. With the next inhale, slowly lift up. Bring your feet to the front. Maybe move a little bit to the front. Also, we will roll down to our back. So slowly making sure that there is a space for you. Go vertebra by vertebra. And hug your legs. Wiggle from side to side. You can stay here or maybe move through happy baby. Either way, just find a sweet spot of loosening any tension from the hips, from the back. Slowly bring the feet back, extend them, shavasana of your choice. So you can stay maybe in butterfly or feet on the mat, knees towards itself, or the traditional way. Relax the legs, the arms at the side of the body. Close down the eyes. Take a deep breath in through the nose and deep sigh out through the mouth. If you know that you want and you crave a longer shavasana, you may want to pause the video now. But if you are shorter on time, please stay with me for just 1 minute of pure relaxation, some quiet time for yourself. Slowly start moving. Have a big stretch. Place the feet to the mat and roll to the one side of your choosing. And with the next inhale, push back to seated pose. And slowly, when you're ready, place your hands together close to your heart and find some gratitude here for your body, for the time you took to do this practice. It could be challenging or it could be easy for you, but you did it, and that counts. You chose yourself. Take last deep breath in and deep breath out. Relax your head down. Thank you very much. I wish you the best. Namaste. One more time, I'm very, very thankful for you doing this practice. I know the asana for today wasn't the easiest one, and if you did this class for the first time and you never heard of Bird Paradise, you had no idea how it's gonna look, don't get discouraged. Don't get I lost the word, but I just wanted to tell you that it's okay if you didn't do it at the first time. It's okay if it felt a little bit weird or hard, just hard. But just keep up the good work, keep believing in yourself and your body and the capability of it. And with practice, this may come to you easier. So just try to remember that each time you step on and off your mat. Thank you. Hope to see you soon.